chapter 4, and I'm thinking quite a lot about the subject of modeling, the concept of what is beauty and how to consume through beauty, how many models are running concepts of people, of what is beautiful. And I'm thinking about it because in a sense, if we are really true with ourselves, then we are all beautiful. And I find it that being models of nature is the best that we can truly do, because nature itself is the most precious force. In keeping it safe is our own treasure. So thinking about how crucial it is to know that we are part of nature, that we are not above it, not beyond it. That nature is us and we are nature. And it's not a cliche, it truly is. And being kind with our own concept of beauty, our own concept of acceptance of others and of nature seems very crucial these days.